Good morning, children. How are you all? Have you all done your exam well? Okay. From today onwards, we are going to start our final term classes. And our first chapter is chapter 10, Agriculture in India. India is essentially called an agriculture country. Do you know why? Because more than 57% of our population is engaged in agriculture and related work. We have a fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate, and also lots of natural resources. All this together makes India an agriculture country. Shall we see in detail, children? Almost 57% of our working population is engaged in agriculture and related occupations. So our country is essentially an agriculture country. Fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate, and availability of natural resources have made India an agricultural country. Proper means of irrigation, modern facilities, improved variety of seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides have helped in the growth of different crops. Between 1960 and 1983, India's food production increased 3 times because of the increased use of fertilizers, HYV seeds, and machines in agriculture. This period was called the Green Revolution. Crops and seasons. Since our agriculture is mainly dependent on monsoon rains, we have 2 major seasons for growing crops: Kharif season and Rabi season. Which are the 2 seasons, children? Kharif and Rabi. Kharif season begins at the start of monsoons when seeds are sown in the fields. These crops are ready for harvesting in November, December. Rice, millets, jute, maize, cotton are Kharif crops. Rabi season begins in October and continues through winter months. The Rabi crops include wheat, gram, barley, and oilseeds. Types of crops. Indian crops can be divided into 3 groups: cereals, pulses, and cash crops. Cereals includes crops like rice, millets, maize, and wheat. Rice is grown in the monsoon season as it needs plenty of water. Which season, children? Monsoon season, because it needs plenty of water. Major rice producing states are Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. Wheat is a major crops which is sown in winter and reaped in summer season. It needs cool temperature and moderate rainfall. Now tell me children, who am I? I need cool temperature and moderate rainfall. I am wheat. Most of the wheat crop is obtained from Punjab and Haryana. Most parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also grow wheat. Millets such as jowar, bajra, and ragi are also grown in the monsoon season. These are edible seeds and are called dry crops. Then tell me children, what are edible seeds means? That we eat. Okay. Millets are grown in soil of poor quality. Parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat grow millets. Pulses: gram, arag, moong, and masoor are pulses that are grown in almost every part of India. They are very rich in proteins and are an important part of the diet of Indians, especially for vegetarians. So this much is for today's class, children. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.